I think I stabbed myself the same way you did. Oh no.
Here's dry. This is dry.
Dry?
Like, man, I see water movement there, but you don't see any water movement here. I feel like this pond would be. Can you see this from Google?
I don't know. The pond?
Right here. There we go. Check that out.
So you guys are probably wondering, one, why the hell I was in a boat for, I don't know, almost an hour, wasn't it? It was like 40 minutes probably. And what we're doing in the middle of an island. Well, I left it over there. I'll have to tell you that in a minute. But this is Matt.
What's up?
Thanks for letting me use your boat. Well,
oh yeah.
Thanks for bringing me out here.
Thanks for riding along.
Yeah. I really don't know if I'm supposed to tell you where I am right now. Like, I don't know how much information I'm supposed to give you. But we are hiding this little box. I'll show you. That's not the way we came in. How did we come in? Maybe it was this way. I don't know. That is definitely not the way we went in. So we rode on this boat, which is Matt's, to bring this, which is a box, a Yeti, what is it called? Like a Go box? So we came all the way out here to get this box out here to hide it for you guys. So this is like a scavenger hunt. I don't think there's anything at the top here but this mesh of pockets and stuff. But this is a box that Worksharp sent. They're doing this scavenger hunt thing. And there's just a whole lot of goodies down in here. It is a Go box. So Top's knife, I'm not gonna show you what knife. There's a little patch, some more stuff down in there. I kind of dropped the ball a little bit. I was gonna bring my own gear and throw in the box, and I left it at home, which is 3.5 hours away. So if you were the one who finds this box, also let me know, and I will send that gear to you. It's not as cool as finding it in like a hidden treasure type deal, but you know, I'll still send you gear. If you do find this box, it has a padlock on it, and there is information on the top of the box that will tell you how to find or get the code to unlock it. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna tell you guys too much information. If you wanna know how to find this or to get clues as to where this box actually is, just go follow Worksharp Tools over on Instagram. I'm also gonna be dropping hints on Best Damn EDC, locking it up and changing the code, putting the padlock on. It's not closing. Uh-oh. Oh, that is shut. It didn't seem like it was shut.
It doesn't go very deep.
No, it does not. Okay, so the code works. So we know the code works, and it is now locked. All right, now where are we gonna put this thing? So the problem with this place is that the tide comes in, and I think before the video goes live, the tide will probably come up to where I'm standing. Probably be at least a couple inches deep here, maybe. So we gotta go further in and find a place where it's not gonna get covered in water, because the problem is that this thing, it's a dry box, it floats. So if the water comes in, it might float to a different spot, or could get carried out into the river, which, well, river, there's a little clue. Could get carried out into the river, which would then, you know, somebody's gonna find it on a shore somewhere. Maybe it hits the ocean, I don't know. What happens if it goes out into the ocean?
We'll get the box found.
Yeah, so that's our biggest fear, is that nobody's ever gonna find the box out here. It's like a nice little beachy area, or like shaded beach. But we're going back in here. Oh my god. Ow. My head's stuck on my... So where do we go? Oh god. Dude, this whole place is a hazard. Seriously, if you come out here, be safe. Jesus. I've been impaled by a tree. He just about fell into a hole. Dude, that was like a legit trap.
Yeah.
It's like brush over a hole.
It's a bear trap. This obviously gets a lot of water flow.
Yeah.
Based on the 2 racquetballs I found.
Okay, so let's go up. Did that go up at all over there?
I really think that's the high point, right there.
Do we put it in a tree? I feel like that'll get found so easily by people not looking for it, though. I mean, this is kind of noticeable. Ooh, what about down in there? Feel that? Yeah, go for it. It's kind of wicked getting over there, I think. But look at that, though. Right under that thing.
Yeah, and there's also a crab buoy over here. They can get a consultation. Luke Ingram, we found your crab buoy.
There's another one over there.
Luke, you're gonna have to come get them.
I don't think you got any crabs.
I think your harvest is low.
That could be a cool, like a little good spot right there under everything.
Would be nice to tie it.
You wore really good shoes for
Hate
this.
to say, you might have won with your yeet.
Look at these things. I know you guys are jealous. I know he's jealous. That's why he's saying this. Look at these things. These are Crocs Pro. They're Merrill Hydra Mox. That, my friends, is a tent. We might have to move to another island. Okay, I think this is the spot. It does get wet, but this is a drive off. And in here, I think. What do you think? I might have to move some stuff to cover it up.
Nice little den.
This way. Now I think we're better than that.
One stick. Couple sticks.
I need a whole lot more than that. Just hope it doesn't wash away.
It seems like everything's washing here today.
So there it is. It's hidden, and now we wait. So it came out just a little worse for wear. It's kind of gnarly out here. It's really thick brush. Really thick brush and lots of trees, dead trees, and the limbs are broken off. So if you do come out here, be careful. I wouldn't say it's too terribly dangerous, but man, there are definitely a lot of hazards around here. Anyway, this was a really cool little project from Worksharp. They reached out a long time ago and asked if I wanted to do this. I said, absolutely, I'm in. And there are 2 more boxes, so this is just the first of 3, and I hope this one goes well. I hope nobody finds it before this video goes live, because it's going to be a couple of weeks before the video can be published. But like I said, just keep an eye on Worksharp Tools at Instagram and my Instagram, Damn EDC, and we'll be dropping hints after the video goes live. And game on. And once again, thank you, Matt, for letting me use your boat wherever he is. He's over there on the other side of the trees. There he is. Thanks for letting us use your boat, or me rather.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go ride through the chop again to get home. See what I mean? Ah! That's what I mean. This place is dangerous. Well, anyway, that's all for now, and game on. So what's currently happening?
Batteries.
Yeah, don't leave the battery on.
Playing music the whole time.
Hit record that time, didn't I?